Hello everyone. Good afternoon. I am Aishwarya Gonjari. I am from D.Y. Patil Institute of Technology, Pimpri, Pune. Our paper ID is 006. My group member is Sejal Shah, Shivanjali Shweta, under guidance of Vidya Patil ma'am. Next, these are the some content in our paper presentation. Next, problem statement. Our project is a Parkinson disease detection system using an ensemble method. Parkinson disease can be difficult to diagnose, especially in its early stages, because symptoms of other neurological condition might be confusing. So next, abstract. Our aim is to detect the Parkinson's disease in early stage. It is beneficial for patient life and healthcare system. There are two types of Parkinson's disease symptoms: motor and non-motor symptoms. Next.
Next is motivation. After Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease is the second most common neurological disease. Patients with Parkinson's disease frequently experience motor speech problems. More than half of the patients have speech problems, such as very quiet and rushed speaking. Speech signal analysis is the popular way for diagnosing Parkinson's disease. Next slide. Literature review. The first paper is stratification of Parkinson's disease using Python scikit-learn machine learning library. In this paper, the authors use naive Bayes classifier, gradient boosting, and support vector machine algorithm, and they achieved the accuracy of 81.25%. The second paper is feature selection for building an early diagnosis machine learning model for Parkinson's disease. The goal of this paper was to sort the medical measurements and select the most relevant parameters to build a faster and more accurate model using feature selection technique. And the target of this paper is to find the unified Parkinson's disease ratings scale. Third paper is a non-linear decision tree-based classification approach to predict the Parkinson's disease using different feature set of voice data. In this paper, the researchers have proposed a new approach by comparing the performance metrics with different feature sets, such as original feature set as well as principal component analysis based feature reduction technique for selecting the feature set, as they found 96.83% of accuracy. Last paper is hybrid approach to Parkinson's disease classification using speech signal. In this paper, they use the smooth and the random forest technique.
Objective of the project is to provide an array of various comparison between different techniques of data processing, data pre-processing, feature extraction, and classifier to implement various machine learning algorithms and compare them to conclude which one gives the best results. How it works: first, the data set will be collected, which contains the processed voice of people who are infected with disease and who are not infected, and loaded in a CSV file. That data will be collected and analyzed and pre-processed, and after that data will be splitted into training data set and test data set. After training the model evaluation accuracy score will be developed, and building the early detection device.
This is architecture. User can register and create their account. After creating account, user can log in by using ID and password. Then the data is collected and analyze the data. Then feature extraction is done over there. Then applying the algorithms, and after that the result will be displayed on the dashboard. Next, these are the hardware requirements. These are some software requirements. Operating system is 32-bit or 62-bit, and Windows 7 onwards. We are using Python language here. Framework is Flask. This is DFD level 0 diagram. User DFD level 3 diagram. Next,
Conclusion: machine learning and medical research have found a partnership that aids in the treatment of ubiquitous disorders such as Parkinson's disease. For early detection of Parkinson's disease, symptoms such as voice impairment can be noticed. There is no specific medical method or diagnosis for a person's Parkinsonism, which also applies to bioinformatics. Strong techniques like machine learning, on the other hand, have sped up the process of detecting Parkinson's disease by making it more cost-effective and efficient. Machine learning can help doctors detect Parkinson's disease. Thank you.
Which algorithm you are following here? Which machine learning algorithm?
Ma'am,
Database XGBoost.
we are using.
And what technique you are following for segmentation?
KNN is used for classification, ma'am.
I'm asking about segmentation.
We will search on that, ma'am. Thank
The
you.
references which you have mentioned, Sejal,
Yes, sir.
just go to that slide. Is it possible? Why don't you mention the years and those things, everything? Is it the latest publications or is it recent publications
Yes, sir.
in 2020 or 21?
20 and 21. There are four. We are taking them.
No.
Okay, whenever you mention this thing, this should be clearly mentioned that whatever. And only 2 references you got, or many more are there?
Many more are there, sir, but we here we
Why?
take 4.
Why you focusing only on the Parkinson's? There are several neurological disorders apart from this one. Why you are focusing on this only? Any reason for that one? Or simply because of some information is available? There are many brain related disorders. So this is a type of a neurological disorder.
Yes, sir.
Any special reason for selecting only Parkinson's?
For the system gives, we are trying to give accuracy for this.
Okay. So whenever you mention in future, you just take care that literature. Whenever you mention you should mention what are the different years of publications and these things, and
Okay.
especially the web link also should be mentioned.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, all of you, for sharing your knowledge here with us.